Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is a protected area and tiger reserve situated in Chikmagaluru district. Some part of this forest area is adjacent to beautiful Bhadra Dam. Other than Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary and Bhadra Dam, another important attraction point is Riverton Lodge, managed by Jungle Lodges. Look at the view of property from dam, as if some cottages are placed over cliff. We researched all about all this attraction and quickly planned for Bhadra trip. We opted for log hut packages in Riverton Lodge. They have another package called Deluxe Package, and cost is same for both packages. On travel day, we started around 6:30 a.m. On the way, we had quick breakfast. Bhadra drive was amazing. On the way, we saw beautiful villages, windmills, lakes, and various other scenic spots. Around 1 p.m., we reached at lodge, completed check-in process, and lodge employee guided us towards our log hut.
Finally, we are here, Roger, in the Riverton Jungle Lodge.
The, the moment we entered log hut, we all were surprised and were not able to take off our eyes from breathtaking view, which is visible from our window and balcony. Just check it out.
Quick check. If you have come this far, that means you are liking this video. Please subscribe and help us grow our channels. Subscription doesn't cost anything and is absolutely free.
After relaxing for some time and enjoying the view from balcony, we headed towards restaurant for lunch. And here is another best part. We love Jungle Lodge foods. Sorry for video quality here. Generally, wildlife sighting is rare, especially big cats, during the month of August and September, reason being monsoon. Hence, we had a dry safari. During whole safari, we were able to spot only spotted deers and occasionally Indian gore. Even bird watching was difficult. Mostly we will revisit this place during March or April month. While we were exiting park, luckily we saw a huge leopard, but he was very shy, and within 5 seconds he ran away towards dense forest. Finally completed safari with happy note. Few months back, our friend Dipanjan had a great sighting of leopard that took us 30 minutes. Check out his picture.
Rajesh is pretty excited for this kayaking activity. चलो आजा. हाँ. हाँ हल्का हल्का तुम्हारा हल्का हल्का था हल्का हल्का था.
Finally, time to say goodbye. If you have any queries, please feel free to ask me in comment section. And please do subscribe, share this video with your friends. Hopefully information will be helpful for them as well. Thank you. See you soon again.